Did you know your liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself? It's like the Wolverine of your body, minus the claws and the grumpy attitude. Today, we're diving into the world of natural liver detoxification. Think of your liver as the ultimate laundry service for your body, constantly sorting, cleaning, and ensuring everything's spotless. From metabolizing fats, proteins, and carbohydrates to detoxifying chemicals, it's a powerhouse. So, if keeping your liver in superhero shape sounds good to you, stick around. Ever considered beets as your liver's best friends? No, well, it's time to. Now, when you think about detoxifying the liver, what springs to mind? Perhaps endless glasses of green juice, or maybe some exotic supplements flown in from the other side of the world. But what if I told you that the humble beetroot, that earthy vegetable often relegated to the side of the plate, is actually a powerhouse when it comes to cleansing your liver? Beetroots, or as they're affectionately known down under, beeties, are chock full of natural compounds that help purify your blood and boost liver function. One of these magical compounds is betaine. This little gem helps the liver break down fatty acids and encourages the liver to expel toxins. Think of betaine as the bouncer at the club, keeping the riff-raff out of your liver. And here's a quirky little fact. Eating beets can turn your urine pink. Yes, you heard right, pink. Imagine the looks on your mates' faces at your next get-together when you casually mention that little tidbit. It's not just a great party trick, but a sign that the betalains in beets are hard at work. These pigments are not just there for show, they are potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, helping your liver to stay in tip-top shape. Now, it's not all just about the beetroot itself. Beet greens, the leafy tops, are often tossed aside, but they're just as beneficial. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they help in further cleansing the system, ensuring that your liver doesn't have to work overtime. So how do you incorporate more beets into your diet? Juice them, roast them, or slice them raw into salads. Their sweet, earthy flavor not only enhances your meals, but also boosts your liver health. So, next time you see beets, remember, they're not just for salads anymore. They're your liver's pink knights in shining armor, and you thought apples were just for keeping doctors away. Let's dive into the crunchy world of this humble fruit and uncover its secret superpower: detoxifying the liver. Apples are like nature's little brooms, sweeping away toxins from your body with remarkable efficiency. It's all thanks to a special type of fiber called pectin. Now, pectin isn't just any fiber. It's a complex carbohydrate that does wonders in binding with and helping to eliminate toxins from the digestive tract. This process significantly eases the liver's workload, allowing it to focus on other vital tasks. But how exactly do apples work their magic on the liver? Well, when you munch on an apple, the pectin from the fruit forms a gel in your intestines. This gel acts like a toxin-absorbent sponge. It latches onto cholesterol and heavy metals, two things you definitely don't want loitering in your body, and carries them out in your stool. This reduces the risk of these substances being reabsorbed into your bloodstream and gives your liver a much-needed breather. Moreover, apples are a powerhouse of nutrients that support liver health. They're rich in vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C and vitamin A, which help protect the liver against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can be thought of as a rusting process but happening inside your body, and it's something your liver really doesn't need. It's fascinating to think about how something as simple as eating an apple a day can contribute to such significant health benefits. Whether it's a crisp Granny Smith or a sweet gala, incorporating apples into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to help maintain a healthy liver. So next time you bite into that juicy apple, remember, you're not just enjoying a tasty snack, you're also helping your liver stay clean and healthy. Who knew that the humble apple had such a knack for tidying up? Alright, it's time to talk about the powerhouse of detox leafy greens. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Are we about to dive into some old cartoon logic where spinach turns us into muscle men? Well, not exactly, but let's just say that Popeye was onto something. Spinach, kale, and their leafy cousins are more than just fodder for animated heroes. These greens are loaded with chlorophyll, which beyond giving plants their vibrant color, plays a pivotal role in our health. Chlorophyll has a unique talent for bonding with toxins and removing them from our bloodstream. This means it can help lighten the liver's load by escorting those unwanted environmental nasties right out of our bodies. And it's not just about removing toxins. These greens are also packed with vitamins A, C, and K, not to mention iron, all of which are essential for maintaining a healthy liver. The liver is quite the overachiever. It detoxifies various metabolites, synthesizes proteins, and produces biochemicals necessary for digestion. So it deserves all the support it can get. Imagine your liver as a busy barista at a popular coffee shop. Now, what happens when you throw in a rush of customers? It gets overwhelmed. That's where our leafy friends step in, helping manage the flow, keeping things running smoothly. So, bulk up on greens, and not just for the biceps, but for a buff liver too. Feeling spicy? Well, so is your liver when you treat it with turmeric. Now, you might know turmeric as that bright yellow spice that turns your curry a stunning golden color. But beyond its aesthetic contributions, turmeric is a powerhouse when it comes to detoxifying your liver. The hero here is curcumin, the active component in turmeric that gives it not only its vibrant color, but also its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Imagine curcumin as your liver's personal trainer. It doesn't just help the liver flush out toxins, it boosts the liver's ability to fight off any nasties that come its way. Think of it this way. If your liver were going into battle, curcumin would be the shield and the sword. And here's a little chuckle for you. If you've ever noticed how turmeric stains everything it touches, just think of it as the spice that not only colors your curry, but also cleans your curvy liver. It's like it's marking its territory and saying, I've got this area covered. Incorporating turmeric into your diet isn't just about sprinkling it on your food. You can add it to your smoothies, brew it into a warm, soothing tea, or even mix it into dressings and sauces. The options are as limitless as they are delicious. So, let's not forget that while it's great to have a variety of foods and drinks to help cleanse our livers, a little bit of turmeric can go a long way. Remember, a little spice in life keeps the liver nice. Now, let's get zesty with some lemons. Lemons aren't just for sprucing up a glass of water or adding pizzazz to your favorite dish. They're also fantastic liver detoxifiers. Picture this. Each morning, as you squeeze a bright, sunny lemon into a glass of water, you're not just preparing a refreshing drink. You're essentially giving your liver a wake-up call. Why lemons, you ask? Well, these citrus marvels are packed with vitamin C, which not only boosts your immune system but also fires up the liver's natural detoxifying enzymes. That's right, the very enzymes that help filter out the toxins from your body. It's like having your own internal cleanup crew, powered by lemon. But here's the juicy part. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins that have accumulated overnight. It's like hitting the reset button on your liver every single day. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not add a pinch of turmeric or a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra kick? Not only will it elevate the flavor, but you'll also amp up the detox benefits. Now you might be thinking, is it really that simple? Absolutely. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is an easy-peasy lemon squeezy way to support your liver health. So when life gives you lemons, detox your liver. Alright, who knew cleaning your liver could be as easy as eating your veggies and spicing things up a bit? As we've journeyed through the world of liver detoxification, it's clear that nature has provided us with a cornucopia of liver-loving foods. From the humble beetroot with its ability to boost liver function to the mighty apple, packed with pectin to cleanse those unwelcome toxins. We've explored how leafy greens can act like a sweep, brushing out the toxins, and how turmeric with its curcumin magic can reduce liver inflammation. And let's not forget the power of a simple lemon squeeze to kickstart your liver into high gear each morning. So why not challenge yourself to mix these superfoods into your daily meals? Your liver, the silent hero working tirelessly behind the scenes, will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more juicy health tips. Here's to your health, and especially that hard-working liver of yours. Cheers.